adorable little succulent plant pots in. I cannot wait to get them all set up and show you how they look.
I ordered these 3 different designs by Original Earthlings. They come with these sweet little inserts that tell you their names, their likes and dislikes, care instructions, and even an adoption certificate. They aren't only the happiest succulent pots ever, but they're well made, sturdy and strong, and even have a drainage plug, which makes caring for your succulent easy. I found the perfect spot for these little guys on my kitchen windowsill. They seriously make me smile every time I see them, which makes doing dishes a little more pleasant. These would make a perfect gift for the plant lover in your life.